Right, so we have some points with coordinates, and that's what the first bit of the question tells us. And then we're told that point M is the midpoint of the line PQ, and we're asked to find Q. So let's just have a look at that. Given they've put a diagram here, let's actually draw this. So what we've got is we've got a line PQ, so which is going to look a bit like this, where there's Q and M is the midpoint. So in other words, this bit of the line here is going to be the same as this bit of the line here. So the two halves of the line will be exactly the same. So in fact, we can find Q just by doing a bit of seeing what happens, really. How do I get from P to M? Well, I need to go across and down. So I need to go across 4 that way, which is, of course, going to be minus 4, because 5 minus 4 is 1. And if I look at the y coordinates, it's 7 to 2.5 there, and 7 minus 2.5, well, 7 minus 2 is 5, take off another 0.5, that's 4.5. So to get from P to M, I have to go across 4 to the left and down 4.5. And that's going to be exactly the same to get to Q. So to find Q, let's look at the x coordinate. Well, x is therefore going to be equal to 1. Go 4 to the left, in other words, 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. And then for the y coordinate, I'm going to take the 2.5 there from M, and I'm going to subtract, because I'm going down, 4.5. Okay, that 4.5 is going down. So the y coordinate is 2.5 minus 4.5, which is minus 2. And so Q is the point minus 3, minus 2. And we've done that sort of intuitively with a little bit of help from a drawing.